Hi everyone, I'm Robin and I would like to show you my new tool for Unity. So it's a scatter tool. It's called GeoPainter and it will be available in the asset store soon, I guess. I just wanted to show you getting started or tutorial and to have some feedbacks, and you can comment the post on the forum. Tell me what you think. Tell me how much you think you may buy it. How much is it worth it? So let's get started. I'm gonna open the start scene. So the first thing you need to do is to go to game object and add the GeoPainter. I'm gonna make a new group and call it bricks, and I will add my bricks prefab. And I'm gonna choose for painting, I'm gonna choose ground and walls. It's my actual scene is set up to ground and walls, so I would like to paint on it. And I'm gonna start painting. So you have 3 circles, and the red one is the distance circle, the green is the spray, and C is the red is the delete circle. You have 6 hotkey. D is to increasing the radius, and Shift D is to decrease the distance radius. The S key is to increase the spray radius, and Shift S is to decrease it. And the C key is to increase the delete radius, and Shift C is to decrease. I'm gonna set the spray to 0, delete to 0.5. So if you paint with distance, as you can see, to paint is you hold the Control key and you drag your mouse. To delete, you hold the Shift key. So with just distance, it will match your radius between each element you paint. If you set the distance, what I done. If you set the spray, I'm gonna set it, it will spray. Oh, that's strong. Oh yeah. I'm sorry. I just tested something. I will set my prefabs on the default layer. So for the spray radius, it will spray mesh. So as you can see, without distance it's not really good. So you can set a spray and a distance. I think it's more what you want. So I'm gonna paint some bricks. Here we go. Oh yeah, you have the option to use normal or not. Here is without, and here is normal activated. So now we're gonna scatter all the painted mesh. So you can offset, position, rotation, and scale, and make a random. I will activate auto update. Make a, I don't know, minus 0.2 and 0.2, 360, random. If you offset, it will offset everything. In position, I think I'm gonna put the bricks into the ground a little, right? And I'm gonna randomize all direction actually. Alright. You can change the seed if you want. And now that you have set the randomize for the group, if you paint, it will match your setting. You have the undo, of course, and redo. So now I'm gonna make a new groups. I'm gonna leaves. So for the leaves group, I'm gonna add this leaves and start to paint. Alright. I'm gonna use pretty much the same setting. Alright, I think it's good. So make a new group, call it bullet hole. I'm gonna add 2 bullet holes into it and start painting on the wall. So as you can see, it's entering the wall, so I'm gonna make an offset 0.012. Actually, it's the rotation. Alright, 360, and actually I'm just gonna no, why not? I'm gonna try a different scale. I never tried that. Why not? Okay. Alright, and the last one, and I will make it a little different. I call it grass zero. Put the grass patch and start painting. Right. Put 360, randomize. I could have put grass patch 2 into it, but I want to show you something, so I will create a new group, grass 02, put grass 02 into it, and actually you can of course remove group or edit. I will change a little bit this one, 902.3, and offset it a bit. Alright, and maybe okay. Right. So back to Grace 2. I will paint. And here you have the option to copy all these settings from one group to the other. So I will choose Grass 01, copy it. As you can see, update the randomize and update. I would clean something. Alright. Then one thing to know is all the groups are here when and your prefab, I had to add a new script to store some data, so it actually breaks the connection with your prefab. I think it's gonna fix in the new version of Unity, but if you make some changes on your prefab, just select the group you want and click update prefab, in which it will update your prefab. And the other option is when you think you are done with your work and you want to actually release the group. If I will show you for the bricks. Here you have your prefabs broken, so I think I'm done with the bricks. I can release the group, and as you can see, you don't lose your scatter, and all your prefab are linked again. So that was pretty fast. I think we took like 10 minutes, and I think if you want to make this by hand, it could be pretty long. So I found for myself that this tool is pretty useful. I think it's in most engine you have a scatter tool. Unity doesn't have one, so let me know what you think about that. Yeah, sorry for my English, but I'm French. I did my best, I guess. So see you.